Independence collection of coasters. Joining us this morning is the founder of the Memory Spot, Mrs. Sandra Johnson. Good morning, welcome, how are you?
Thank you so much, Neville. Thank you for having me.
It is our pleasure. When and why and where you start this?
Okay, so the Memory Spot. Well, let me talk about myself first. So I am a communication practitioner who loves all things creative.
Yeah.
And from as long as I could remember, I was always the one at the family gathering capturing the group photos. And then from as early as primary school, I remember gifting my teachers, my friends, my family members, handmade gifts such as letters, postcards. So with all of that, I was inspired to create the Memory Spot in November 2024 on a whim. So I was following a few craft makers on Instagram. I decided to research how they did their task. And I realized that, hey, I can actually do this. So I registered the business name, registered the company, ordered some stuff on Amazon, and here we are today.
The Memory Spot. History.
Yes.
I said coasters at the start, but some of them don't look like they are coasters.
No, so we actually have fridge magnets. You have the square ones here, you have the heart-shaped ones here, and then we actually have some coasters as well, and ornaments and keychains. So the Memory Spot, as the name suggests, it's your go-to destination for preserving your most fondest memories.
Yeah.
So that's what we specialize in.
Yeah, and you've used religious stuff, you've used just Jamaican stuff. How do you decide what to put on what and where and stuff? Okay,
so we have a number of seasonal and occasion-based magnets. So as you see, up here we have the Emancipation and Independence-inspired magnets. We're celebrating Emancipation Day today and Independence Day in a few days. And so I came up with the idea of, showcasing some of our culture and or popular sayings. So it's a fitting tribute to our language, our beautiful dialect, and then our coasters are just a reminder of how scenic Jamaica is.
Okay.
So these are some of the magnets.
You look like you make this one for Simone. Open your heart and not my fridge.
So it's a mixture of humor and just authenticity.
What kind of support have you had for them?
So I've had quite a lot of support, mostly from family members, co-workers, friends, and my business is growing because I also post regularly on social media. So I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. You
have a physical space or everything is online?
No, it's online.
Okay. All right, and give me an idea. You don't have to be specific at the cost because you also have keychains also.
So the range, keychains are $1,000 each, and you can have different images on both sides. The ornaments are $1,700. You can have images on both sides as well. The coasters are $1,700 each, but if you buy a set of 4, you can get them for $6,500. And then the magnets, the square ones are $2,000 each. The heart ones are $1,500 each.
Sure. They're beautifully made.
They are all handmade, designed by myself. So a lot of thought and care has been put into.
I don't know if it's lamination or what, but even
it's called sublimation.
Sublimation.
So it's a specific printer, specific ink, specific blank canvases.
Does it fade in any way?
No, it doesn't fade at all. It's actually modified board. So it's very durable. And it's board, so you can expect it's very durable.
And the magnet would be in?
Yes, so the magnet is at the back.
At the back.
So any magnetic surface, it sticks on it like that.
Is this the gamut here, or do you have other things, or do you have bigger ones, smaller ones?
So this is what we have started with, but in terms of the product offerings, we have the scripture magnets. We do have birthdays. People ask me to write a happy birthday on a magnet, graduation, retirement. Same thing on the keychains. So as you can see from the keychains, we have best mother in the world. At the back, you could have something else, a picture or another quote. This one says best teacher ever. And then for this keychain, it was a custom order from a coworker. It says, Happy Mother's Day, Mom, love Tia.
Yep.
You can have the same thing on the back or a different image or a photo on the back. So it's quite customizable.
I find this one interesting because this is your family.
That's my family.
This is you, your husband, and your son.
My son and my husband, yes. Jovan.
This is nice.
Yes. So you can have text only, photo only, or a combination of both.
And this is Joshua right here?
No, that's a different person, but I'm just showing you how versatile.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you can have text on the front.
You did say all the social media, but give me a handle so people can find
So
it.
on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, it's the Memory Spot JA. On WhatsApp, we're available on WhatsApp at 584-2008. It's also on our image there.
Beautiful.
And then if you want to email us, we're the memoryspotja@gmail.com.
Fantastic. Happy emancipendence.
Thank you so much,
It's a new word that they coined in recent times.
Thank you so much, Neville, for having me.
You and the family. All right,
Welcome.
founder of the Memory Spot J, Mrs. Sandria Johnson. Coming up next, Lord Dance Group takes our stage.